Well, hello guys, it's me, Christian again. And yeah, here we are, off to basically what's known as the final event of, well, basically for today, guys. Well, here's an incredible twist of a surprise. I figured, why not show off some fireworks? I know, before we get into, explaining, yeah, I already did something similar, I did the shorts version of basically showing off the fireworks, but that was from my grandmother's place. And I figured I'd do the longer, extended version, with all sorts of fireworks all over the place. So this is our final event for out tonight before the end of Canada Day and the end of July 1st. And it's pretty much amazing how the end of Pride Month was just on June 30th of 2023. So now we're on the first day of July, which is Canada Day. Only for the occasion of today. And we've been officially on this country for as the human years, I guess. Maintainedly 156 years. That's right, guys. So we're being so prepared. We're right outside the Legion Stadium. The final place we want to end up being is near my CEC school that basically I go to. Yeah, that is so ridiculously crazy, but happy, good, festive summer all around, right? And I figured I have lots of time before we start with the whole Canada parade and all that basic stuff. Now, anyways, guys, if any of you guys have basically not subscribed to my channel yet, maybe consider doing so, guys. It will so indeed help me a lot. Yeah, let's look at part of the view here or something. And I know this is mostly very dark or whatever. It's very hard to actually see quite well. There is some of the lights that's actually able to capture it. And there are plus on top of there. That's basically the moon up there. It is so magnificently wonderful with the view. And yes, lots and lots of people decided to arrive too. Because I'm not the only one showing up for this occasional final event. Yep. Pretty tremendously amazing how we started off all throughout the occasion. Yeah, lots of things. Might as well just explain. I was gonna explain it for the exclusive drones, but I let her get my exclusive drones quickly throughout as soon as, yeah. As crazy as Canada parade went through this morning to basically going into Bobble Hill Recreation Park to be able to enjoy some of the current stuff that they had there, to basically afterwards going right from Bobble Hill into Truro into the Civic Square, basically by the library, guys, and got to enjoy lots of hours with entertainment of our country singers or something like that. And now I believe we'll get to soon explore the fireworks, and which I believe I did hear some being played over that way, but more and more could start playing, like, I'm gonna take a guess somewhere around here-ish, maybe. We'll just have to see for ourselves when it comes time, just about now. At 10 p.m., guys. And in case you're wondering why we're back here now, we just kind of seen that go by, right? Boom! Just like that. Later on, I might plan on capturing some screenshots towards, yeah. If any of you guys well, want to check out my Facebook page or something, yeah, maybe I'll see. I don't know yet. And where this is completely dark, guys, outside, this is, yeah, And what a perfect occasion to be able to, yeah, look at those fireworks, right, guys? Now you wonder why we're so far behind here. And as you can tell, those people right there at that part are legitimately sparking those fireworks right about there.
Christian, is this for YouTube?
Indeed.
Christian, is this for YouTube? Well, tell him I said hi.
That's gonna be kind of tricky to do. Whoa! Yes, boy! Look at this! Like confetti works right here. Just about last year during Canada Day, guys. Maybe.
Oh my God!
You can really look at this and notice just by a lot of the smoke there. But something tells me this remarkable part is not over yet. And you can see why we had to back up. This is kind of nerve-wracking right here, just at this precision. Just about last year, guys. The last place was like somewhere over at that direction right there. But now we're very close here. We can even hear it booming this time, really loudly here. Boom-tastic, all right. It's really, really going on real well. Something tells me this is not the end of the world yet. When we bring upon a lot of apocalypse here. Spartaculous! Fireworks of destruction! May get the power enemy! On my side. Sweet! Kabowie! Just really amazing. The way I love it. Happy Fireworks Day, folks, for Canada Day 156. I don't know, honestly, if I can even try my best to get the exclusive drones through tonight, guys. I can try to squeeze in a bit of the time, considering the timing is a lot. Yeah, okay. Whoa, 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 whoa! Easy. Whoa! You boy! Oh boy! Oh boy! Whoa! That surprised me! What a wonderful way of messing some things up here. Ha ha ha. Be marvelously scary. Not happening. And sorry for the deliberate language here. That's I know. I don't like it as much as you guys. But it happens, right? It's the world.
Plug my account.
Maybe later. Hello there, firework! Boom! La la! Oh, they're like homing missiles right now. Yeah, bro. This is kind of broken here.
It's gonna hit this lid.
What a kawaii-tastical surprise here. Whoa, 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 yes. Now it's doing one of those little malfunction sparks here on really here or so. That you fake for just a second. You look up there, it goes invisible, and it's one of those fireworks that it just does, and it surprises right there in the middle of nowheres. Kind of.
No!
Gonna back away a little bit more. They're probably gonna be announcing fireworks all across our I would dear hope that they go with. No kidding matter, guys. This is something we should probably back away a little bit more. Maybe. You never know. Those kind of things look like they're gonna aim right down, but they're so high in the air, they can't possibly go wrong. About it seems to things, it seems to be over, really. I don't know if they can see you guys in the dark, so we might have to go somewhere so it's light. Okay, it's on. Hi guys, and I guess here we have some nearby sponsors here.
Fan, Christian.
Also known as my fans, guys.
Heather Island, look. No!
Yeah, okay.
Stop! I'm actually a fan.
I know you couldn't quite see the image of some of those people. They tend to be friends of my brother too. You just, yeah. Yeah, now there's even more being played over there. But it's not gonna matter. It's pretty much the time that not just the stadium here, that's the main one we're looking forward to the most here, significantly. But typically speaking, yes, yeah, where it's now basically around dark. I think this is about time. I'm wrapping it up now before anything else starts to get chaotic here. Okay. I'm so sorry for all what you had to hear or even see, guys. They really wanted to be in my video so badly. There's just having to be people I have known, and I'm terribly sorry, but I hope you still got to enjoy basically the fireworks. Yeah, most of which was good. Now there's even tinier ones. Okay, but the point is, right, there's gonna be like hundreds of people throughout tonight. There's probably gonna be like going all around the town, and I know now you might not be able to see me so much now, considering we're really, yeah, look at that kind of brightness out there. And it's at the point now that there's so many cars, like, you know, with all the lights and everything. So this was it for the final night. Hope you stick around and enjoy all that. Well, 79% of it, yeah, all right. Time to wrap things up, taking care now, and yep, gotta go. Christian signing off, bye-bye, la-la, happy 156 Canada Day, etc., etc., yeah.